Hi, I'm Doug Caves. I'm a representational painter, and I'm here at the Portland Art Gallery, and I'm standing in front of my painting, 1776, News Arrives. And the setting for this painting is in the Minuteman National Historical Park at the Hartwell Tavern. And I was there one day visiting, which I love to do. It's a nice area to hike. But I'm visiting the tavern, and there's two gentlemen there that are dressed in period costume. And I asked if I could take some photos, and they said, sure, why not? And out of the many photos I took, this is the one that just kind of sparked me with inspiration. I thought it had everything I wanted to convey about chiaroscuro, about figure painting, and about allegory, where the red wagon in the back sort of represents the establishment, the King George, the Britain of that era. And the two gentlemen are sitting at a table, perhaps reading the Declaration of Independence that has just been delivered by a traveling settler colonial. And so that idea of what sparks change was very appealing to me. And because I feel that we're in such a period of turbulence and change now, I wanted to react to it somehow. So I went back to an historical time of the beginning of our nation and wanted to think about that. Thank you.